Welcome back, guys. Today is Sunday morning. It's early morning, around 6 o'clock right now. We're going to Rollhard car meet down Bicester. We're gonna meet up with my boy Ricky, Mark at the services, and we're gonna go to the event. And I haven't done this before. I don't usually go to car meets, so today's gonna be the first time that I'm vlogging in a car meet that I'm going to show you guys what this UK scene got to offer. So stay tuned for this video, but now I'm gonna make my coffee and then we'll go to services. Peace. I'm just going towards my car, but obviously I won't be taking my Mark II. I just feel like it's not ready for these kind of shows yet. But once it's done, obviously I'll be going to those kind of car shows. If I feel like it, because this car is specifically not built for show car. But there it is, feeling sorry for itself. Let's park up here. But I'll be taking my daily just to go there and see you guys at services. There's that big old girl. Gonna take this. And oh man.
So we're active today, me and Munier going roll hard together, get some rolling shots out here.
Roll on the shot.
Sure, yeah. Little petrol stop, got the E36, R32 Skyline, my brother in the 14.
That Rollhard the car event. Just walking with Ricky.
Yo.
So far the cars are looking nice in here. some few Jap cars, but I'm gonna show you guys around and see what the UK scene got to offer. Stay tuned. Look at this JZX81 with a Blisso freeze. The paint is ridiculous on this. Look at it. Oh my goodness. The car is ridiculous. Look at this. Attention to detail. And the bonnet as well. Oh, she's standing next to it. What do you feel of the car? Do you like it? Yeah, it's.
Is it Archie approved?
R34 Skyline.
GTX 3076. Exactly what I've got. It's nice. Which has you got? 82. Yeah.
Is it RB25?
Pardon?
Is it RB25?
Yeah. It's only got, well, I got that.
With a carbon fiber wing. Oh my
I know,
goodness.
that's what I'm trying to think of. What wings are they? So like,
I thought this was GTR, but it's not, is it? It really looks like a GTR, but I'm not sure. No, it's not GTR. It's got over fenders. But the car does look really nice. Josh would love this. I'm not sure person, but look at these wheels, man. I like these wheels. The car does look nice. It would be nice if you had a 2JZ in it. Yeah, it would be a nice drift car. What? He likes that, doesn't it? Do you like it? R34 Skyline there. That's GTR, definitely. 280Z. Some saucy 206. GT86. This is ridiculous. Some saucy JZX 100 Mark II like mine. This is really clean. Really clean car. And then we got a Skyline R32 4-door. JZX 100 110. Look at the rays as well. I need to get them wheels. Chaser. S14. Some nice BN kit. No, that's D-Max kit. There's some VXX work wheels. And you got that. Another S14 here. And the Unicorn. Look at this RX-7. Sogs. RX-7's looking saucy. Oh my goodness. You don't see them around here. You don't see them a lot around as well. Sick. Interior looks standard and clean. I dig it. It's got a big wing on this 14, but it's back down. I used to have them D-Max realizing mine. S14 before, but this car looks really nice. I like it. And you got the chaser here, Toro V. All clean, man. I love my JZXs. Proper clean there. Same with 110. I didn't get them wheels, man. I didn't get them ray wheels, skid wheels. The cars are looking saucy here, man, today. I was expecting it to be like this, but it's looking good. What are they? Full S4 in here. And then we've got Mark S4 in here. Bright pink. Is it, what do you call it pink? This
Pink, bro.
I call it pink.
Fucking pink.
On the photo, on the camera right now, it looks pink.
Peach. I chose the colour. It's peach. Do you want to see my paint can?
No.
What it says?
Huh?
Do you want to see my paint can? See what it says?
Yeah, but it looks peachy on the camera, isn't it? I mean pink.
It's peach.
But
It's like you're saying you're like a coffee colour rather than black.
I'm caramel.
No, you're not.
Look at this cool 180SX with Type X kit, but it's got the standard 200SX. Oh, hold up! This doesn't have the 180SX lights.
No, it has 200 in it.
No, it says 180. It's a cool car though. I like them. I like the 180s. Got the raw torques on them. I thought they were Kiwamis, but no, they're like a knockoff version. But it was cool. Yeah, I like that X kit. It was clean PS. This is like a unicorn. It hasn't been touched yet. So clean. Probably still have the standard. It's got brown tints. Standard interior. I see nothing, but you get the idea. Let's check this. Come here. Look at this Corolla A86. So cool.
Pretty bad, isn't it?
Yeah. I would love to own this, you know. Cool cars, man. What's in it here? This car's stripped out. Yeah. Got cage in there. Cool car, man. Cool car. Look at this. Some nice PS with original lap body kit. Some Kiwami wheels.
They are fresh. Only 17 though.
It definitely looks like a drift car though. It doesn't look like a show car.
Better further away.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. It definitely gets drifted, definitely.
Yeah, look at your camber.
Yeah. It's a cool car though, I like it. You got the same button as you, innit? That's a proper VIP car there. And I've got a Datsun here. Proper retro. I like them wheels. I like this. Proper old school retro style. With a small wheel. Cool. Looks really cool. Some badass RX-7. Look at this. Oh my. All my days. Old school Nissan Skyline GTR. They are worth money now. So sick. Look at the ray wheels on it. So sick. Very clean.
You think that's just
Oh, look at that GTR though.
got body that's fucking bad.
That GTR's better.
Yeah, stand for the low rider.
Oi! Steve will definitely like this one.
He made it then.
You don't see this often. Look at this. Oh my days. Look at the details. Probably sick. The paint is ridiculous on it, obviously. It's a little right now. Some nice blue seats in it. Wow, this is sick. Hold on, I think this is Cabras. Yo! Another RX-7. There's some actually cool Japanese cars here today. Oh, sorry. Oh, shit. And then we've got the S40 in here. Proper sick. The SR in it. Bash by the front. It's got top arches. It's sick. I like it. It's definitely a drift car, this is. It definitely escapes this one on it. Today my train freaking ruined. The rain is bad. And look at this yellow S15. If this is the original color, this must cost a lot. So sick. This is definitely a spec car. This is worth money.
Is that an original sticker on the program?
Yeah. If it's the original color, this is worth money, but let's see the interior. It's got great steering wheel. Recaro seats. Interior is clean. I like this one. Proper sick S15, I like it. The wheels are sick.
They're real.
Another GTR, but this GTR is stanced. As you can see, it's stanced up. That's proper sick GTR, man. I like the wheels. It's got a little cage inside. Clean interior. Gallardo mirrors, obviously. The sauce. It's got the sauce. They're real. RX-7 FC. They look sick. Yeah, them inkies.
That's cool as fuck.
Yeah. It's got Japanese number plate on it still.
Yeah.
Yeah, this is proper sick FC. It's got a standard interior. Nice bright seats. Hey, the car, love the car, man.
This was used.
Sick A86.
It's too big for it now, though.
No, I'm not too big for it. I'll fit in it. It's so bad.
What, that?
This is so bad. So clean.
It would be even better if it had the, you know, the writing on it.
Yeah, but I like it like this. Proper, nice, clean, 86. sick. And then you got the Laurel, old school Laurel. It's got the L. Some nice pinky wheels. It's badass, so I like it. But it's only German cars here today, man. No, so many of Germany, man. There's less Jap. This cool IS200. Look at it. It's got the Supreme number plate. How cool is that? Look at the exhaust. That's definitely not legal. But the rest of the car looks badass. Proper sick. Oh wow, it's got a nice chrome grille. Well, I thought this was IS200, but some cool PS. Look at the color, so sick. Some lovely PS. And then you got the Skyline, R32 GTR. And you got the Honda NSX down there, R34 GTR there. Some cool Japanese car here today, man. I'm actually not disappointed. But yeah, battery's about to die, so I'm gonna basically end the video here. Like and subscribe and share, and see you next time.